And the last biosphere reserve is Panna, which has been made in 2011. And then Panna Biosphere Reserve in MP. Understood? Core, buffer and transition. Core, buffer and transition. Thereafter I said man and biosphere reserve, or India has 10 man and biosphere reserve. How many? 10 man and biosphere reserve. When a biosphere reserve come under the protection of what is, and I said that UNESCO, and UNESCO started giving some kind of what? Assistance for preservation of the biosphere reserve. So out of these 18 biosphere reserve, 10 biosphere reserves are under what? UNESCO assistance. Under what? And that is known as what? Man and biosphere reserve. Understood? So which one has more protection and preservation, conservation? Man and biosphere reserve. Thereafter, biosphere reserve. Thereafter, national park. And then sanctuaries. And these are coming under which forest? Reserved forest. And how much forest? Reserved forest in India? 59%. And which is the number one that I said that forest area wise? Followed by Arunachal Pradesh. Fatafat answer आना चाहिए. The answer should is, instead of taking, I said MP, Arunachal Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Odisha. Understood it? Among these, first तो मैंने मध्य प्रदेश ही, it is an order. Reserve forest. हाँ 500 है, सबसे ज्यादा 500 है. तो सेंचुरीज तो है ही बहुत ज्यादा. नंबर तो अरे एरिया वाइज उसमें नहीं क्यों पूछा जाता है? हु इज कवरिंग द लार्जेस्ट एरिया? आज तक मैंने नहीं पढ़ा तो मैं कहां से तुम्हें बता दूं? एक्स्ट्रा क्रिएशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन. So I can't start now national park and all, but now I'll start with wetlands, and thereafter, after the break, I'll start with national park, biosphere reserves and all. So I said that we are going to start with what? Wetland. Huh? Biosphere reserve central government करता है. State government, central government, national parks. Wetland. I said that. What is wetland? Huh? Okay, yes. Any year of a time. What is wetland? Yes, tell me. Six meters say? Less so. If the depth of the water is less than 6 meters, then the pond dam should not be in a wetland. Yes, Uller Lake should not be in a wetland. So many there is a much, they are, what is going beyond 30 feet or something like this. Yes? हाँ? थोड़ा सा तेज बोलोगे तो मुझे for the some part of the year. चलो मैं बताता हूँ यार. I said that in 1971, at the bank of Caspian Sea, there is a Ramsar city. Which city is there? And then in this region convention took place, and this is known as therefore Ramsar Convention. It is known as, I said that, Ramsar Convention, and that is on the 2nd February 1971. Therefore, we celebrate Wetland Day as on a 2nd February. I said that India has 26 Ramsar sites. Ramsar sites or wetland. How many I said that? 26 Ramsar sites, or I said that wetland. Wetland means, I said that first, ध्यान से, I said that where is the highest biodiversity? Evergreen forest. Second, it is, I said that, coral reef. Coral reefs is then a lakhs of species are there, and it is known as, coral reef is known as then what? Rainforest of ocean. It is known as what? Clear? And then third one is wetland. The largest species and biodiversity found in which region? Clear? So हमारे यहाँ there are so many lakes, so many what is in a water body, so many rivers are there. Why not they are all are becoming this kind of wetland? But they should have a character of what? Largest biodiversity and species. Because you know that the wetlands are known as kidneys of nature. Wetlands are known as kidneys of nature. What is the role of kidney? Removing the toxicity from the body. Removing toxicity from the, and this is also making the removing the toxicity from the nature. Therefore, it is known as a kidney of nature. It can be inland, it can be coastal, it can be man-made, it can be natural. It can be part of a year submerged with water, it can be the throughout the year submerged with water. अब अपना definition बना सकते हैं. I said that, what is the definition could be? Wetland is in a what? Geographical area, whether it is inland or coastal. Whether it is what? Inland, coastal, man-made or natural, but supporting largest biodiversity with partially part of year submerged or throughout the year submerged. I said that. Just tell me what is the definition of wetland? Wetland is a geographical area, inland or coastal, inland or, and it is man-made or natural, man-made or natural, but supporting, yes tell me, but supporting largest biodiversity, which is part of a year or throughout, part of a year or throughout submerged with water, part of a year or throughout submerged with water. क्या हमने बोला? Just tell me. What is wetland? It is in a what? Geographical area. Understood? It is inland or coastal land. Yes, man-made or natural, and it is man-made or natural, but supporting biodiversity. Yes, supporting largest biodiversity. Or Partly part of a year or throughout the year submerged with water. Understood? So if you see that inland, there are some lakes are what I said that. If I am talking about Uller Lake, Hokersar Lake, Mansar Lake, Surinsar Lake, Sokar Lake, several lakes are there. Somori, these are what? So some lakes are also what is and I said that? Wetland. Yes. And some of the rivers when it goes in the last period of the year, old stage में river क्या बनाता है? Oxbow lakes. Sometimes Oxbow Lake is also can be what is it? Wetland. And nearby sometimes there is some kind of what it is marshy area, waterlogging area nearby the river. It can be also what is just tell me. Wetland. Understood it? If we go into Ganga mein I said that Bijnor to Bulangsar, or the Bulangsar mein that is Narora, that is in a nearby waterlogging area and all, some reason is there. It is in a what? Wetland. So which are the natural inland wetlands we have talked about? Tell me. क्या मैंने बोला? Lakes it can be ponds, it can be oxbow lakes, it can be waterlogged area, it can be marshy area, it can be playa lake, saline lake. Yes, like Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is in a wetland. Sambar Lake in what is in a Rajasthan is in a what? Wetland. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? Which are the lakes? Which are the I said inland wetlands? Lakes can be wetland. Yes, it can be, sir. It should support largest biodiversity. A pond can be. Oxbow Lake can be. Waterlogging area nearby the river. And then marshy area nearby the river can be what is in a wetland. And one I said that saline lake means playa. याद हो गए ये पांचों? ये लिस्ट में दे देगा. Which of the following can be in a wetland? Sir, I have studied submerged partly. Lakes are not partly. Ponds not सारे. जहां पर क्या होंगे? Largest biodiversity. और man-made क्या है? Pond dam has been made on the which? Byas river. That is in a man-made lake. जहां पे डैम बना दिया. तुम लोगों को इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड मैपिंग किए हुए. वहां पे आई यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट दोज लेक्स. आई हैव डन अराउंड 70 लेक्स एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग टू यू. दीज आर वेटलैंड. चिल्का लगून लेक. सो वो कोस्टल लैंड. इट इज नॉट. अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? इनलैंड नेचुरल एंड इनलैंड मैन मेड्स आर वेट. देयर इज सम रिजर्वायर्स like a dam that I said that pond dam. Yes or no? Tanks, some बड़ा area में tank बना दिया and that is over the. It has been made in historically around what is 1100 years ago, and these tanks are there, but it started accumulation of water. It is acting as a what? But in India it is not such kind of example. And some mining areas, and in the mining areas it has deeps, and after some time then the animals start what is water accumulated. It can convert into abundant quarries, mining areas, and some cooling pond, ash pond. You know that ash pond generally nahi, cooling pond generally. Every I said that industrial sites, and especially iron and steel industry, thermal power plant, and nearby there is one cooling ponds are there. To what is that water utilized for the cooling purpose of what? Steel के पास क्या रहेगा? There is a cooling ponds are made. So I said that which are the man-made inland? Reservoirs, tanks, yes, abundant quarries, cooling pond. Which are I said that? Some dams which are there, reservoirs, and then some tanks which has been made historically very earlier. Several this kind of it in the Europe we have seen, and then we have seen, like I said, abundant quarries, and then I said yes, cooling pond. Sorry. So which are the inland wetlands? Yes, tell me, which are the inland wetlands? lakes, natural. It is the lakes, ponds, Oxbow Lake, waterlogging areas, marshy area, and then Palaya Lake. And thereafter I said that man-made it is reservoirs. Yes, tell me, reservoirs, tanks, abundant quarries, and Oxbow Lake. Palaya, saline lake. Palaya is saline lake. Physical geography में quarries means mining area which has been left, and that dips are what is in a filled up with water, and possibly started serving the largest biodiversity. It can be what is in a, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ऐसे minerals content हो सकते हैं that they can be what is in a larger different kind of species started growing. कल ही तो हम लोग ने पढ़ा species and all different things. Next is in a coastal wetland. Western coast of India में, in the western coast of India, in the western coast of India, यहाँ पे क्या है? Just tell me some creeks are there.